Hey everybody, it is officially Tuesday, the 23rd of February, and we're going to talk about parts of the atom. But first, we're going to do our do now. In the energy pyramid on the right, which level contains the most energy? That's right, the bottom, or our producers, because remember, they not only make their own food, they make food for us. And as we go up the energy pyramid here, we do lose a little, so the most energy is there. And what do you think the bottom picture is? And what do you know about it? Absolutely, atoms. So here's what we're going to do is we're going to take a look, and we're going to name the 3 subatomic particles today. We're going to describe their location, their charges, and masses inside of an atom. So that you can name the subatomic particles, describe the location, charges, and masses of the protons, neutrons, and electrons. That's what we're going to do today. So the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to look at how small is an atom. Now remember, when you come here into Schoology, and I'm going to do that, we're going to go into Schoology, My Apps, and we're going to click on I'll borrow my friends in first period. We're going to click on our materials, and here's our do now, and here's our daily slides. You're going to want to open a window and open and watch the following video. It's really great. And after that, we're going to come back to our Schoology, and we're going to go into our assignments, and we're going to open our digital unit notebook for Unit 7. And this is what it should look like. Here's the atoms. It's a periodic table that you're going to see. So we gave you one that looks one like you probably see. Here is the big idea, is that matter is composed of atoms and has chemical and physical properties which can be predicted using the periodic chart. And your goal, let's remember, we're looking for specific. Like, I want to earn an 80 in my digital notebook, or I would like to get a 60% of all my assignments in on time, or I want to get an 80 on the DCA. Something that has a number that we can measure. Okay? Right here are our 3 TEKs, the things that we teach from, that all our instruction comes from. The next slide is your graphing your progress. You can always see where you're at. The next one is the parts of the atom. And so here is labeled a complete atom. I took these and dragged and dropped them. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to click on the white square, and you want to click on Arrange, Order, and Send to Back. That's going to let the labels sit there so you can see them, okay? And now you're going to drag and drop them. So we have our electron labeled, and we know that our electron, has a negative charge, that our proton, and I attached to green, and our neutron, I made that the brown, and I put this nucleus for the whole gray thing. Now my proton has a positive charge, and we're going to learn a little bit more why, but that my neutron is neutral and doesn't have anything. And then I put my label for the electron cloud there. So you can pause this and match your slide 6 in your digital notebook. And then we talked about the subatomic particles, the proton, the neutron, and electron, that a proton has a positive charge and weighs 1 AMU, and yes, as we showed in our drawing, lives in the nucleus. Okay, now we're going to go back to our slides, and we're going to look at this second. What is an electron? And these are things we talked about. So notice that our proton is positive, our neutron is neutral, our electron has a negative charge, and that in the nucleus we can find the proton and neutron, and the electron cloud is the electron. So, and this is just going back over those 2 slides. You've done the card sort here, so you can pause here, and you can take a look and match yours up. And then the other thing you'd like to do is taking both your card sort and your model is try and take these and fill these in. So let's take a look at what we've got here. So we filled some of this in, and we said that our proton has a positive charge and our neutron has a neutral charge. They're 1 AMU, it's in the nucleus. Our electron has an electron shell, negative charge, it has minimal mass, and the atoms is the thing that all 3 have in common. Well, that's great, friends, and we will see you all on on Thursday to discuss a little bit more about atoms and elements. Have a great one.